Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. My name is Michael and today we are taking a look at tips and tricks you can do with your BMW Z3 and other E36 models. So, stick around. So, like I said, we are looking at tips and tricks you can do with your BMW Z3, but more specifically, tricks you can do with the dash. So let's jump into it. Number one, a cluster test. Now this is very easy to do. What you want to do is turn the key to the on position. Not yet start the car, but whilst you turn the key to the on position, simultaneously press the trip switch reset button, and this will activate the cluster test. On the digital screen, it will run through 6 numbers and it will show you various information, and right at the end it will do a full sweep of all the dials, checking that it is calibrated correctly. Now, number 2, going into the secret menu to unlock your digital tachometer and or speedometer. Now, same as before when doing the cluster test, you want to turn the key to the on position while simultaneously pressing the trip reset button, and that will activate the cluster test. But now it is time to get into the secret menu. While it starts cycling through all of the numbers showing the various information, we need to interrupt the test by pressing the trip reset button. Going all the way to number 15, and once you reach number 15, hold in the button until it shows off. Once it shows off, press the reset button again and go back all the way to number 7. Once you reach number 7, it will be blank for the moment, but now it's time to start the car. Once you've started the car, you have now successfully created a digital tachometer. That's pretty cool. And whilst the car is running, you can press the button again and go to number 8, and that will give you a digital speedometer showing you in kilometers per hour. Hey, just a second guys, if you've been enjoying what you've been seeing so far, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more. And if you feel like helping out the MD channel, check the donation link in the description down below. Back to the video. Now if you want to switch back to your normal odometer screen, you can continue pressing the trip reset button until you reach 0, or you can just switch off the car. Unfortunately or fortunately, this is not a permanent hack. So every time you switch off the car, it will reset itself and go back to the normal odometer. So you'll have to perform this process every time if you want a digital speedo or tach. There it is, guys, a quick fun little trick you can do with your BMW Z3 and or other E36 models. I hope you enjoyed today's video. My name is Michael, and as always, I will see you guys on the next one. See ya.